dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin. Come with Timmy, say hooray! Let's have fun and learn to play. On the board where dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin.
Hello, my friends! I'm so happy to see you. Today we have a fun lesson. We will learn the magic pin. Let's ask our chess kings. Come on, let's go find them.
Oh, look, such a beautiful butterfly. I will catch it. Oh, I see one too. I will catch mine. Hooray, I got it, look.
Oh, hello, White King and Black King. What are you doing?
We are catching butterflies.
Wow, they are so beautiful. But I came to you for a reason. Today, my friends and I want to learn what a pin is in chess.
The pin. That is a very magical chess trick. Let's help you understand it. Well, my friends, to understand what a magic pin is, we need a little magic. Let's invite to our magical chessboard the white rook and the black bishop. They will help us show you how it works. Let's see what happens if the bishop makes this move. Look, the bishop attacks the rook. Can the rook move away and escape? Maybe like this? No, the rook cannot move, because if the rook goes away, I will be in check. And in chess, this is called an illegal move. So the rook must stay. It cannot move at all. This position is called a magic pin. The rook is pinned. That means it cannot move anywhere. Because if it moves, I will be in danger. So the rook must stay right where it is. In chess, 3 pieces can make a pin. The bishop, the rook, and the queen. They all can use this magic. Let's invite some new friends. The white knight and the black rook. And now, let's see how a rook can make a pin. Look, my friends. The rook attacks the knight and pins it. We already know. The knight cannot move, because if it moves, it will be an illegal move. The rook would attack me, so the knight must stay. And sometimes, it bravely stays and protects the king. And now, my friends, let's see how the queen makes a pin. For this, let's invite the white queen, the white rook, and the black queen. They will help us show this magic. Look, my friends, what happens if the black queen makes this move and attacks the white rook? Like this. Can the rook move away and escape? Yes, it can. But wait, look what will happen next. Watch the black queen carefully. She can capture the white queen. So, it's not a good idea for the rook to move, because the queen is more valuable than the rook. Right, my friends? So the rook must stay. And this is also a pin. The rook cannot move, because we would lose the queen. Now you know what a magic pin is. You did such a great job today. So we thought, it's time for a little adventure. Today, we're going to Egypt to see the amazing pyramids. Come with us. Let's go. It's going to be fun.
Hooray!
On our board so bright and clear, we gather here with joy and cheer. Pawns blow trumpets loud and sweet. A happy day is ours to meet. Kings and queens and rooks so bold, stories of chess are bright and told. Come along and learn to play in our fun chess land today.